Visualizing your data allows you to get insights at a glance and tell the story behind the numbers. There are different ways for visualizing your data, either by using conditional formatting or by creating charts and then dashboards. We'll be covering that in another module. In this pivot table, I have the total amount for each manager in each region. But to get insights at a glance, I want to create a conditional formatting for the total amount. And to do that, I'll be dragging the amount another time to the values area. I close the pivot table field list, and now for the second column of the sum of amount, I want to create a data bar conditional formatting. I select a single cell, and then I go to the Home tab, I click on Conditional Formatting, Data Bar, and I select a solid fill data bar. The data bar appears in one single cell, but there is a little floating icon, the Formatting Options tab. When I hover over it and click on the down arrow, I have some options. I'm going to select the last option, all cells showing sum of amount values for manager. When I select this option, now I have the conditional formatting applied to the entire column, excluding the subtotal. I want to further refine this column because there is no need to reading the numbers. I just want to keep the data bar. To do that, I go to conditional formatting one more time. I select Manage Rule. And here is the rule I created. I click on Edit Rule. In the Edit Formatting Rule dialog box, I can do two things. If you want to hide the numbers, check the box Show Bar Only. And if you want to change the color of the data bar, you can do that as well. I'll be selecting a different gradient of blue. I hit OK twice. And now I have my conditional formatting reflecting the sum of the amount for each manager in each region. I can also change the column header. I'm going to change the field name. I go to the Pivot Table Analyze tab and I change it to bar. In the next module, we create pivot charts.